off where we left before, the river. So we live by Wilmington, North Carolina, but then when you drive down the river, it turns into the ocean. And then look at this beautiful blue water. Like, it went from brown to blue. We love coming on the Intercoastal Waterway because then we get to see a lot of boats. And we get to be by the beach, of course. The wind was kicking that day. Kicking. I'm pretty sure I got windburn and sunburn that day. Both. And again, this reminded me of my boat. I just wish it was fixed.
Masonboro Island.
This is by Wrightsville Beach in North Carolina, and we have a blast here. Every time we come here, there's so much different wildlife.
Bunch of rules.
But you see how much the water is different than at the river? This is my babe trying to anchor it.
Leaving me? Well, it's like a baby one. It's in the ground. It's growing? Oh my god. I feel like it's a booby trap. Like someone put it here. Oh, nice one, nice one. Nice. Not all complete, but still perfect. Ha! That was an awesome quote. We found some sea glass. Honestly, I didn't want to film this, and David was like, no, you need to film this. It's a bunch of pelicans on a lookout, and they're just chilling. Some of them fly away, and then some of them are like, you're not gonna touch me. They don't care.
Overall, I had a great day. And then we came back. This is the Wilmington Bridge, and it's pretty crazy because when you go under it, you can see all the cars. But that was the end of our day.